Hello traders, and welcome to day 4 of the BlastChart video training series. My name is Joshua Gore and I'll be your training guide for day 4. In today's video, we'll be looking at how we can use BlastChart to customize our charts with indicators, overlays and chart styles. As you may have already noticed, BlastChart comes with many preset indicator settings. But what if you want to change the colors, adjust the parameters, or save new default settings? Well, today's video will show you how to master all these functions and more. Fire up BlastChart and let's begin training day 4. As noted in the training day 3 video, indicators and overlays are added via the Templates menu tab. To add an indicator, select the type of indicator from the indicators list, select where to position the indicator and click the Add button. For overlays, an existing panel must be selected because, as an overlay implies, indicators of this type are added onto existing data series. Indicators, on the other hand, are drawn in their own panel. The position of the indicator panel is selected from the Position drop-down list. Choosing None will place the panel below any existing panels with a setting of Always Top or None, but above panels with a setting of Always Bottom. Choosing Always Top or Always Bottom will fix the panel in either position. Panels that are fixed cannot be moved. And choosing an existing indicator panel will replace that indicator with the new indicator that we are adding. To delete an indicator or overlay, simply select the indicator in the chart pane. Then right-click, choose Delete Indicator and confirm the deletion. Alternatively, you can delete an indicator by selecting it and pressing the Delete key on your keyboard. Most indicators will only work on the two most common chart styles, candlesticks and bar charts. Using other chart styles may affect the indicator's measurements, so we recommend using only candlesticks or bar charts when applying indicators. Changing chart styles is also actioned in the Templates menu tab. To change the chart style of your charts, click the relative style from the chart style group. BlastChart supports 10 different chart styles that allow you to analyze your stocks in different views. The chart styles supported are bar chart, candlestick, candle volume, equivolume, equivolume shadow, Heikin-Ashi, Kaji, line break, point and figure, and Rencore. Detailed information on what each of these chart styles are can be found on the BlastChart website. Now that we have covered the basics of adding and removing indicators and changing chart styles, let's see how we can change indicator parameters and colors. All indicators in BlastChart are added using presets. Presets are simply predefined parameters, settings, and colors. For example, the simple moving average indicator comes standard with many presets, including a SMA 10, 30, 50, and an SMA 200. Let's go ahead and add these indicators to our chart pane. As you can see, we do not need to manually enter in any parameters or set colors for each of these indicators. All these settings have been predefined in our presets. Using presets allows you to quickly apply indicators and their settings that you commonly use with the click of a button. You can also configure presets to match the exact indicator parameters and settings that are used in a training course strategy that you are currently following. So how do we customize indicator settings? As you've come to realize, BlastChart makes customizing your charts as simple as possible, and customizing indicators is no different. To change the parameters of an indicator, simply select the indicator using the left mouse button, then right-click to bring up the context menu, and finally select Edit Parameters. What's shown in the Edit Parameters window is unique to each indicator, but in general, an indicator will require at least one source of data and one period of data. Let's change the parameters for our SMA 200 to make it an orange SMA 150. Adjust the parameters like slow and click OK. As you can see, BlastChart has automatically recalculated the indicator's values and changed the indicator color to orange. You can also change indicator colors and adjust the line thickness, type, and opacity via the Edit Colors context menu option. For example, I can make the SMA 150 indicator that we just edited to use a thicker dashed line stroke, like so. Once you have customized your indicators to work for your trading strategy, you can save them as presets so that you can quickly add them to other charts with just one click. To save an indicator as a preset, select the indicator, right-click to bring up the context menu, and choose Save as Preset. The first step requires you to enter a prefix for your indicator. The name of the preset will be made up of this prefix, plus up to 4 parameters of the indicator. Then continue through the wizard, leaving the indicator preset parameters how they are. After clicking Finish, BlastChart will save the indicator preset into the list of presets available for the indicator, as shown here. Remember, all your custom presets and settings are automatically synced to the BlastChart servers so that you can use them from any computer anywhere around the world. Once you have all your presets created, why not add them to your own custom templates as shown in Training Day 3? This will further reduce the time it takes you to perform technical analysis of all your favorite stocks. So there you have it, traders. We've learned how we can add indicators to our charts, customize indicator parameters and settings, and save them as our own presets for use later on. If you would like to know more about the technical indicators found within BlastChart, please visit the BlastChart website. These articles offer detailed explanations of how the indicators work, as well as provide examples of how to put the indicators to practical use. If you have any questions or comments about today's training video, please visit BlastChart's online community forums. Thanks for watching, and here's to your trading success.